Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to show you an easy way to draw a basic flower. It's very easy to draw, any small kid can draw it. So let's get started. First of all, I will draw a circle. Then I will start drawing the petals of the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our flower is complete. Our flower drawing is complete. Now I will draw a stem. And a leaf. And it's done. Now I will do the outline with black sketch pen. Let's do the outline with black sketch pen. Okay, now outline is done. Now I will make some lines in this. Now we will do the colors. I am using the crayons for it. I am taking yellow crayon to color it. Light green color in the leaf. Do some shading with dark green color. Brown color in the stem. And also in the circle. Now I am taking orange crayon to do some shading in the petals of the flower. Now our basic flower is ready. Anyone can draw it. If you like my video, so please like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my channel. And for more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.